everyone, it's Post Your Pets Week at Lexington Public Library. My name's Jenny, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fun tent for your cat using some supplies you probably already have at home. The supplies you'll need for this project are a square of cardboard. It can be anywhere in the range of about 12 to 15 inches squared. You'll need a t-shirt, about a medium or a large will work, a roll of masking tape, 2 wire coat hangers, and a pair of pliers. And just make sure that your pliers have a wire snip on them. Okay, to get started, you're just going to take your pliers with the wire snip and your hangers, and you are going to use your pliers to very carefully cut the top hook part off of your hanger, just like that, and discard those. Do that with both hangers. Okay, and so now you have your 2 wire hangers without the tops on them. You are going to bend each of those kind of into a dome shape, like so. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as it kind of roughly makes a rainbow shape. You're good. Alright, and be careful with these because the ends of these will be kind of sharp after you cut them off, so just use caution when handling them. Alright, and once you have your dome shape on each of them, you're going to take one end of your pointy hanger piece and poke it through one corner of your cardboard, and take your other end and poke it through the opposite corner. Alright. And then you will flip your cardboard over, and again using your pliers, you're going to leave about an inch poking out of the bottom of your cardboard, and then use your pliers to bend that inch on the bottom to where it's laying flush against the bottom of the cardboard. Repeat with the other side. Okay, and then we're going to repeat the process with the other hanger, just bending it into a rainbow dome shape. And this one we are going to poke through the opposite corners on our cardboard square. Like so. Flip it over again. Make sure you got about an inch sticking out, and bend those pieces flush with your cardboard. Okay, once all your pieces are hanging on your cardboard like that, you'll just use some pieces of masking tape to secure those bottom edges of your hanger to the cardboard. It doesn't have to be pretty, because in my experience, the cats don't care what it looks like. Some of these will stay stuck better than others, so if you need to use more than one piece of tape, go for it. Alright, once you have all your corners secure, flip your tent back over upside right, and then you'll just take an additional piece of tape and make sure where your 2 wire hangers cross is fairly centered, and just use another piece of tape to secure that in place. Alright, look at that delightful tent frame. Okay, once you have your frame built, you're just going to take your t-shirt. You don't have to alter the t-shirt at all, just a plain t-shirt. The neck hole is going to be the entrance to the tent, so we are just going to dress the tent to where the neck hole of your t-shirt is on one of the sides. Okay. And once you have the entrance where you are happy with it, fold your t-shirt. Looking at the bottom of your tent, you're going to fold the sleeves down, secure them with a piece of tape. And fold up the bottom of the t-shirt and secure that with a couple pieces of tape as well. Alright, and that is all there is to it. You have your new simple kitty tent. If you wish, you can add some bedding or a pillow in there to make it more comfortable. Mine tend to prefer just plain cardboard. If you want added fun, you can add some catnip. For an extra special treat. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully your kitties will enjoy these just as much as mine do. Have fun!